Well, last night, the CEO magazine titled Mercy Health's Stephen Cornelissen as 2016 Executive of the Year. To find out more about the company and what the title means, we're joined by Stephen live now from our CBD studio. Stephen, thank you so much for taking the time to chat with us. Can you firstly just tell us a little about the company itself, Mercy Health?
Oh, hi, Natalie. Thank you very much. Mercy Health's an aged and healthcare provider that works across Australia caring for other people. We're part of the Sisters of Mercy who have been caring in Australia for over 150 years, and we continue a great legacy. And we're supported by 7,000 amazing people that do extraordinary work every single day, and they do it extraordinarily well.
Absolutely. Well, congratulations as both CEO of the Year and Executive of the Year. What does this title mean for you?
Look, I think the title means more, mostly means to me about being able to represent those 7,000 people and the sisters that have given us this legacy. It lets us put Mercy Health, it lets us put healthcare and healthcare workers and aged care workers a little bit more prominent in the thinking of Australians. It's not a well-paid workforce. They're people that come to work every day and they work very hard, and hopefully I'll have a little bit more of an opportunity with such a prestigious award to be able to advocate a little bit more for them, the way they care, and also the outcomes that we want to see for those who are less fortunate than ourselves.
Now, Stephen, you joined Mercy Health as CEO in July 2011 and have since expanded their aged care services nationally. Firstly, what drew you to the company itself?
Look, it is a values-based company, and that's what drew me. I actually came a little bit before and held a few roles, and then was asked to take on the CEO role in 2011, and it's been one of the greatest honours and privileges of my life. So, to work for a values-based organisation that cares for people, you know, what more could one ask for?
Now, obviously, this award does recognise those who've made a notable difference in the corporate world during the 2015 to 16 financial year. Again, just for our viewers, can you expand on some of the developments and the changes and growth that Mercy Health has undergone?
Look, in the last few years we have doubled our size, and we certainly are providing services in more states and territories across Australia. Our aged care services have expanded twofold. We've got 22 sites across Australia, and our hospital services, where we provide public hospitals in rural New South Wales as well as major hospitals in Victoria, are also increasing in size, scope and complexity. The main aim for us is to be able to ensure that we're sustainable in the future, that we're competitive, that we have a platform for advocacy, and that we have the resources and the people to go out and touch more lives and help more people.
Absolutely. So what lies ahead then, both for yourself and also the future of the company?
Well, the future of the company, I think, it's in a very good state. We've worked hard to make sure that we're remain true to our mission to care for people, but are also competitive in terms of business sense. I think some of the most exciting things that lie ahead for us are some of our big developments in research. We're on the brink of some major research breakthroughs, which we hope will save the lives of women and babies who are at risk of premature birth or death from conditions such as preeclampsia and stillbirth. Some of our major research in those areas will be announced very shortly, and we think we can make some real differences on children dying before the age of 5, which is the highest. Stillbirth is the highest killer of children in the world under 5, and also trying to reduce the death of women and babies through preeclampsia, where 60,000 people across the world are dying from this untreatable condition. So at the moment, this week we're actually running our Pram Jam. So a good plug there is if anyone wants to support Pram Jam, hop onto the website and look for Mercy Pram Jam. We're always happy to take a donation so that we can continue this great work in the future.
Absolutely. Stephen, this award is all about your achievements and what you've been able to achieve for the company. Can you tell us a little bit more about yourself, and also for the viewers at home, what made you want to get into the executive ranks?
Look, I think there's just that wanting to make a difference, wanting to do more, be more, and also I think a natural like for people. I don't think you can be a CEO if you really don't like people, that you don't want to represent a company, its goals, its mission, and also know that each time you do, you're representing all of those people that are looking to you. In many ways, I have the easiest job in our organisation because I get to talk about how great it is. It's those people at the front line who I think do the hard work every day. And obviously, you know, I pursued a range of studies to try and better myself in that area, and to be recognised is just a great privilege, especially against some of the talent that was in the room last night at the awards.
Stephen Cornelissen of Mercy Health, CEO of the Year. Congratulations and many thanks for your time this morning.
Thank you, Natalie.